Hello, and welcome to another installment of our series of video clips on Eaton's new and exciting M22 push-button line. My name is Mo Alaidi, Product Manager for Pilot Devices with Eaton Corporation, and today I have a special guest who's going to demonstrate for you M22 communication capabilities.
OSI is a single master multiple slave network. All of the M22 push-button line devices are OSI slaves. To get them onto the OSI network, you need an OSI adapter. The OSI adapters are M22-ASI-S for an e-stop and M22-ASI for the other standard push-button pilot light units. To assemble this device, just line the springs up with the screw holes on the unit, on the contacts, and push. That locks it in place. To remove it, simply put a screwdriver under that tab and it pulls apart. Now, something else that comes with the adapter is an OSI connector. This OSI connector is an installation displacement connector. So if you take two wires and put them in these grooves in the connector, hold them in place, and put the connector over the top, they make the connection for you. No screwdrivers or any other tools are necessary. Plug it into the unit and it's now on OSI. I'd also like to show you a complete OSI system, an example. Here's a PLC with an OSI scanner, master, polling these four M22 devices. Also, we have a power supply, an OSI power supply on the network. It's a special power supply that supplies 30 volts DC to the network devices and decouples, this one decouples the communications from the power on those two wires. So if you look in the back, the master is connected to each of these slave M22 devices on the network, on the OSI network, through the OSI adapters. To demonstrate this, the program in the PLC is monitoring the inputs from these M22 devices, which are the push buttons, and it's controlling the outputs, which are the pilot lights. I can press the start button for each of these and it'll flash the pilot lights at varying frequencies. You can push any of the individual push stop buttons to stop it, start it back up, or the e-stop will shut the entire system down. Thanks for your time, and remember, if your customer is using OSI, don't forget to tell them about our M22 push button line. It connects.